So I had Brett come in early and demo this wall, throw it on the back of the truck. Me and Joe were out taking down some other trees. And then we're all gonna go over and take down the cedar tree with the excavator. Just gotta get it loaded and we'll bring it back to this job when we're done.
Let me get out of your way. All right, victim of the afternoon is this cedar tree. Somebody went and built a garage right next to it. We're gonna take it down now. It's a little too close. Don't hurt the garden. Avoid hurting the other cedar tree that stays. I'm gonna sit right here with the excavator and push it. Dig up the roots first. Hopefully there's no power going through here. I saw power markings going up out and around, so the only thing that could be in here is internet maybe. Okay. I think we can fit between that canopy. Looks like it's a good slap right here. A little tall. I think we got it.
Basically what I do is I dig all the roots about 3 feet, 5 feet off the stump, break them all, then I go on the backside and just push it. It falls right over. And shake the dirt off, flip the logs, throw them through the chipper. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this is about a, I'd say, 2-hour job. We were in and out of here, and then back to the other job pretty quickly. The guy's gonna mill that log, so we're gonna set it to the side for him. And I just smooth everything back out, get it ready for them to come in and put the driveway in. Pretty sweet little job. The camera got hit towards the end, so the angle's all messed up. But
Antonio's with the trailer. This one's at 13%. Probably enough to finish the day. Get this other excavator out of the way. We can move my excavator out of here. Final walkthrough. What's that? Oh, nice. There we go. Ready for a driveway.